Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everyone is doing well, doing wonderful. This is what I did to my hair last night, just to see what it would look like when I took it down. I just wrapped portions of my hair around a little bun at the top. I had a top bun. I don't know if it's going to make a difference in the way that my hair looks or not. But again, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I was reading this morning, and as I was reading, just came to me again to share this with you. That we need to take responsibility for our actions. Take responsibility for our actions. Yes. And you know, if I'm reading the devotion, it's saying, take responsibility for our sins. But there are times when we can come up with excuses for why we do what we do. Just like Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden, when they ate from the tree, ate the fruit from the tree that they were told not to eat from. Eve blamed the serpent, and Adam turned around and, like, we can even say haphazardly, like, he blamed God because he said, the woman that you gave me a bite of that fruit. Everybody had an excuse. Sometimes we blame our upbringing. Sometimes we blame things that have happened in our past. But at some point in our lives, we have to decide or know we have to take responsibility for our own actions. When we can take responsibility for our own actions, then we can go to God for forgiveness. But we can't do that until we take responsibility for what we have done. And that is my message for today. And now, my 360. And I think it's made my hair straighter in different places. I left it down in the back because I couldn't do that comfortably. Put it up. I left a little bit down in the back, but I like this look as well. I'm trying to get that straighter look, and it's straighter. Let's take a look at it. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God, because God has been so good to me. Now hang in there for my outfit of the day.